In this section, we're going to build a mobile app from a Google Sheet using Glide. Functionality-wise, we'll predominantly be using Glide and Google Sheets to create our mobile application, though we will be collating the data for our app from various sources. We won't be using any templates. We'll be starting with a blank canvas so you understand how it all comes together. This is the most satisfying and best way to learn. Though I'm sure many of you are familiar with mobile apps, I want to highlight the fact that our mobile application won't be available for the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Our mobile application will only be downloadable for users via direct download. Specifically, our mobile app will be a place where people can find the best graffiti to check out in New York City. This is going to be a cool project, because once you understand how to build this, it'll open up your mind to other mobile apps you can build with Glide. In previous times, you had to understand how to write code to create a mobile app. For example, here's some code written in a programming language to build a mobile app. We're going to be able to achieve the same results without writing code. As we work through building our mobile application, the process will become clear. By the end of this section, you'll have a good overview of how to build mobile apps using Glide, holding you in good stead as you begin to build your own mobile apps. In the next lecture, I'll show you the resources needed for this project. See you there.